Hey fellow tea lovers! This is one of my favorite tea recipes for relaxation and calm, lavender, chamomile and lemon tea. So get cozy and let's make tea together. So the ingredients are pretty simple: lavender, chamomile and a lemon. We're gonna go old school and use a saucepan. This is my favorite way to make tea. I'd say around 2 to 3 cups of water, as we'll be using the leftovers to make an iced version. So as far as measurements go, I would use around 1 tablespoon of lavender and 2 tablespoons of chamomile. The lavender has a stronger flavor, so you don't have to use as much. So I added the main ingredients before the water boiled all the way so that they can all boil together. Lavender is so calming. I love chamomile for easing my menstrual cramps, and then lemon will give you that burst of vitamin C and also aids healthy digestion. So as the flavors start to dance around together, you will notice it become a lovely purplish color. I would say give it about 5 to 10 minutes to simmer, and then you will add a honey or a sweetener of your choice if you decide to. I typically go with honey because I just love me some good honey. I'm using some purple blossom honey that I got from the farmer's market. Once you add your honey, you might want to give it just a few minutes to cool, and then you are going to choose your favorite cup to pour your drink in. So one thing I love about this saucepan in particular is that it comes with holes so that whenever I'm pouring it into my cup, none of the herbs fall into the cup. But another measure that you can take is to use a small strainer like I have here, and then you can just pour your tea into your cup. That's a wrap. You have your lavender, chamomile, lemon tea with a little bit of honey. But before you start drinking, you are going to pour the remainder into a glass mason jar or a cup, just anything that you can use to store it in the fridge. And let me tell you, the iced version of this tea is just as good as it is hot. And what I loved most was I found myself drinking it at night when I needed to be cooled down a little bit, but it was just as relaxing. But let's get back to the hot tea. I hope you give it a try if you're looking for a tea to keep you calm and relaxed. I know you will enjoy this one. Let me know if you've tried the recipe. Thanks for making tea with me.